my channel. Today is my husband's birthday, so I want to cook him a nice jellof rice with the South African twist. I just came back from my son's soccer game, so I said there is no way I won't cook for my husband today because it's his birthday. So I've started off with the turkey. You can see my turkey. I've removed the excess skin, so I don't really like turkey that got the skin. I don't like meat that got skin. It's not for healthy reason, because people will say, why are you saying it's for healthy reason or you're plus size? Okay. What's on the menu today, guys? I have my protein is turkey. I've added a little bit of chicken pieces because my son doesn't like turkey that much, and I have plantain. We are making jollof rice. So we started off with our turkey. I've put the curry powder, paprika, cumin, and I'm going to a little bit of salt and the Knorrox cube. So I will leave it to pre-boil there. I didn't put water there. I just want the steam to steam, because I'm making the stock. So I'm putting a Knorrox cube. You see it has pre-boiled. We don't need it to be. Then next, I'm blending my peppers, tomatoes, peppers, all the shenanigans. That is what I'm blending. Next, I'm cutting my plantain. It's a little bit too ripe. I left it for too long before I cook it. But anyhow, it's still well. I add a little bit of salt to bring the flavor. I've already heat my pan, my oil. So now you see me, I'm taking out my meat so that I will use the stock. That's our fried plantain is already done. So that's the fried plantain, guys. As you can see me, I'm trying to set it on the side. That's the plantain. I'm starting off now with my onions. I'm making my jollof rice now. You can use any choice of your tomato paste, but this is what I prefer. After removing the can, guys, the can is very poisonous. You remove it and you take out all your tomato paste, then you can put it in the freezer. You can freeze it. Next is our peppers that we blended, guys. So I set some aside because I make many, so that if I'm cooking the whole week, I'll just be adding. I'll cook spaghetti tomorrow, so that it will be easier for my life, guys. It will be easier. I'll put it also. You can also freeze it as well. I added another one. I added again my garlic salt, paprika. Now all those things, and then now thyme and the bay leaves. You can see my sauce is looking gorgeous. So now we're going to add our rice. Next is our rice. You must wash it very well until your water is white. It's not pre-boiled. So that's my rice. I put it inside there. It's smelling so good, guys, in my kitchen. My kitchen is not that big, but it does the job. Does the job, guys. I need a bigger kitchen, guys. So, because I love cooking. Cooking is one of my hobbies, because I'm a stay-home mom, and all my work is from home. I work from home. So now I've put in the stock. Remember the stock that we kept on the side? That's the stock. We leave it to boil. Now next is the meat. Now I use barbecue, and the other thing I will show you guys, you mix it in the water to make it to look glossy and taste even better, to be scrumptious, guys. So that is what I'm doing. After just rubbing it in, I'll put it again in the oven. Usually other people, they like fried one, but I don't like fried things. I like grilled meat, because already our jollof is so rich. So let's tone it down with our protein. We fry the plantain, so lots of frying is not good, guys. So that's our meat, guys. You can see how gorgeous and amazing it's looking. The color is popping, y'all. It's popping. That's our meat, guys. As you can see, oh wow, gorgeousness. It's gorgeous, guys. I love cooking, guys. I love to be in the kitchen. It's my safe place because I'm more of a introvert. So I love cooking. So when I was doing my sauce, I set that aside to add it on when my rice is almost done. I can even use it to cook another thing. Like, guys, I like saving. Like, seriously, you see how my rice is looking? It's looking gorgeousness and everything. I put a little bit of carrots. Actually, I'm supposed to have red onions. I didn't have red onions, guys. So I said, let me put a little bit of carrots. Red onions or spring onions I didn't have. So that's what I put, a little bit of carrots, just to give it to have some veggies inside. But I usually put red onions with spring onions and green beans. I love it. See, I'm finishing it up, guys. It will give it more of a flavor. Jollof rice is very nice, guys. Especially, I love when it's a little bit chilly. But then I can't eat a lot of chili food because I've got problem with my acid. So. But anyway, already there's a lot of tomatoes. It's tomato base and it's too much acid. So I don't put a lot of chilies on my food because of that. But anywho, guys, you can see how it's looking. I didn't want this video to be too long. This is the final product, guys. The food was so nice and gorgeous. Please comment in the comment section below if you love the content, and please subscribe. Bye.